can ask of flowers. Uh, Mic testing. Is it my audio audible? Is my screen visible? Let me check if everything is working fine. Yeah, it's working. Seven one five three six four output 7 explanation buy on day 2 price 1 and sell on day 3 price 5, so profit 5 minus 1 4, then buy on day 4 uh, price 3 and sell on day 5 price 6 profit 6 minus 3, so total is 7. You are given one on which you may decide to buy or sell stock. You can only hold at most one share of the stock at any time. However, you can sell and buy stock multiple times on the same day. However, you can sell and buy stock multiple times on the same day. Buy on day 2, sell on day 3. Uh, then buy on day 4, sell on day 5. 1 2 3 4. Example 1 2 3 4 5. Buy on day 1, price 1 and sell on day 5. Total profit 4. Hey, Vatika Vacha, Vatika Vatika, Vatika Vacha, Vatika Vatika, Vatika Vacha, Vatika Vatika, Baba, Nani, Nani. We'll wait for some time. I'll wait for some time today because I started early. I mentioned I'll start stream in 20 minutes, but uh, it was a new kind of setup. I'm streaming from my home, as you can see. So I thought maybe I should start early because this greedy algorithm is something that is I'm not getting it right. So I'll use my phone as the chart window today. I hope it's visible. Let me see through my phone if it's all good. Yeah, it seems all good. People who are new, please joining first for the first time. Please do like the stream so that it would reach to the correct audience and other people will get to know that this guy is again back online streaming. So this was the easier problem that I was trying today and it's almost done. So I was about to submit it and we'll see if all the test cases works. It took me some time, so I did it before the stream because there is one more problem. It is a best time to buy and sell stock problem. So it is among the easier ones. So I thought instead of easier one, let's do the easier one off stream and let's do the medium one on stream, which is the another level on this one. So hello, what's up? Hello, bro. Uh, how are you? वेट आज मैं अपना फ़ोन यूज़ करूँगा क्योंकि आई डोंट हैव अनदर मॉनिटर विथ मी फ़ोन में फीचर्स ही नहीं है यार इसके हाउ आर यू ब्रो there is one more problem today I have is like I don't have pen and digital pen so I have physical setup I'll use that yeah first let me submit this and let's see if I hope it's working everything right yeah this worked very well So this problem was simple. I'll first tell you about this problem, how I did this, because the next problem is on the similar lines. I still didn't understand why, what's the point of greedy, like it's kind of another type of problem. I still didn't understand it. It just means that you have to wait for the maximum output, but not in all problems. So there is no specific pattern. In this problem, it is said that you are given an array of prices. Okay, so prices is an array. It contains all the prices, just like this. The stock price on that particular day. So day one has 7 data. The same stock price has day one. The price of that stock on day one is 7, day two 15364, in that way. So we have to keep an eye for the maximum profit that we can make by buying and selling the stock. Buy on one day and sell on another day. You can't sell the stock in past, like I can't sell stock first and then buy later. No, we have to first buy and then sell. So it becomes pretty much simple to understand that we have to maintain the variable. Samit, if am I audible perfectly? Is everything correct? Because the setup is new and I hope everything is right. I'm using this headphone mic. I hope I'm audible clearly. If you are still there, yeah, I can see you guys still there. So please do, Samit, please do like the stream so that people will know I'm online now. We can then chat, because sharing other people's work, talking is actually the fun part, no? That I am also enjoying, and I saw other people are also enjoying. I saw the Discord server, there was so much of discussion going on. Uh, so yeah, okay. So I was explaining this. So it was very straightforward to use this variable max profit. It was not that clear that we also have to maintain a mean price, and that is where the greedy thinking comes into picture. So by brute force, what I thought was subtract each and every element and save the save it into max variable. See, this is my initial code. Okay, so iterate through the array and get the difference, like see once 5 minus 1 or 7 minus 1, not 7 minus 1 will not work, 5 minus 1 will work, 6 minus 3 will work. Okay, 6 minus 1 will work. So in this way I have to just keep an eye on the max and do all the additions, but that was a pure brute force approach. I was trying to iterate through all, try to subtract each and every element from each and every other smaller share stock value. So that is a wrong approach. That was a wrong approach, and hence I used mean price. So in this mean prices, I cannot take it as a zero. I was trying to keep this value as zero, but the stock price will never be zero, and hence this condition will never be true, and hence I was stuck here for a while. So the correct way is that, bro, you put mic. What? Bro, can you put mic somehow far to get clear sound eliminated? Oh, okay. Yeah, I hope it's fine now. Uh, Not so far, but slightly. Yeah, it was below my nose. This is that kind of a mic where we can't put it. Are you still hearing the breathing voice, breathing sound? This was intentional, but I hope it's correct. Yeah, fine. Okay. So the point was to take the first value, consider it as a min, even though 7 is not min, but we have to consider for a while that it's a min. And then we have to iterate over the array, and while iterating, the first step is to check if the current price, which is the first element, ith element of this price is lesser than the what we have considered as mean price. If yes, then update the mean price. So immediately our 7 will get replaced with 1 in the second iteration, and then max profit is just mat.max. Max profit currently is 0, and then price I, which is the ith element, minus the mean price. Mean price will not change, hence we will keep an eye on the minimum price possible, and then try to find out the maximum element or maximum profit out of that, and hence it becomes very simple, and this is the final one, and which is working very well. So this was the approach which worked. There is no pattern, there is nothing that I can replicate this on the another kind of problem, hence I thought of solving the similar line of problem. Okay, so today I'll regret that I can't use pen and paper. I am using this kind of pen and paper, if you can see it. So this is my go-to way today. I'll still try to explain you how what I'm trying to do right now, how I'm trying to solve this problem. So this second problem is like you are given an integer array of prices, same array prices, id day prices, everything is same. Only difference is that here we don't want max profit, we want total profit. It is not mentioned very clearly in this problem. You can read this line. On each day, you may decide to buy or sell the stock. In previous problem, somehow I heard breathing. So what? Some mobile पे भी नहीं दिख रहा. Somehow I heard breathing sound. Why you didn't use a mic? Bro, I am at my hometown today. So I that setup is at my Pune's home. So I don't have a mic. The mic is connected with my whole setup to that table, so it is fixed. I couldn't take it with me. So yeah, sorry for that. The sound is still clear, I guess. So there is some air sound might be coming through. Yeah, is it fine? There is a fan also. I can show you that there is a fan right in front of my face because it's 43 degrees Celsius in here. What's the temperature in Karnataka, bro, at your place, Samit? It's fucking 43 degrees Celsius here. I am just boiled up. So, yeah, back to the problem. Yeah, I can wait for a few minutes because I have just pasted in Discord. Let me invite the moderator. Yeah, please check. Bro, the complete Indian subcontinent is very hot right now. Let's see. Uh, Current Indian. Oh, 35, it's still fine, huh? Weather images of summer hotness. Yeah. Karnataka seems to be on lesser side. This part is hot. Delhi though is dead. Delhi is dead. Monsoon, yeah, monsoon has arrived there. I thought monsoon is still in Andamans. It's not reached to the subcontinent yet. Monsoon's date is no, usually 7th of June over here. 35 current. Let me check my current temperature. Current temperature Nanded 34. It doesn't feel 34. Max 43 degrees Celsius. Yeah, today it was max 43 degrees Celsius. Right now 34. Okay. Who is famous person in Nanded? Me, bro. No telling my oh, okay. Room temperature. How can you tell your room temperature? Do you have something to check? Okay, let's go through the problem one more time. I was trying to find the difference. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing different day in the future to sell the stock. It is not there in this problem. On each day you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can only hold at most one share of stock. So that it means I cannot buy and sell. I have to buy sell. I can't buy sell to not possible. So buy sell is not allowed. Simple. So what I've thought is that I'll have a total profit variable right now. I'll directly start to write the code today because Excalibur I can't use. I have written something on my pen and paper. So I'll just add all the profits in this one, regardless of what is small and what is not. I'll not think about that. Yeah, I have air purifier with digital. Oh, nice. You are a rich person then, bro. So int is 0. What's the AQI level then in your room and outside? I less than prices dot length length and I plus plus a simple loop, and then in this loop what I was thinking, if I plus 1 like prices I plus 1 is greater than the current day. I'm supposing I have bought the stock on the ith day, so if the next uh, day's price is more, then uh, total profit total profit uh, and notation, this prices I plus 1 minus prices I. Okay, and then at the end just return total profit. Oh, it can't be this simple, so let's give it a try. It's around 38 what temperature outside, or AQI 38. If AQI 38, then you are living in the heaven. Hey, watiko vacha, watiko, watiko, watiko vacha, watiko, watiko, watiko vacha, watiko, watiko. You can ask for flowers. EQI is 38, bro. Macha, you are living in the heaven, bro. Send me your coordinates. I'll do my work from home there. The room door was closed. Oh, okay. What's the outside AQI then? I thought it's outside AQI. I can ask for flowers. Telling at the Coopers, you Billy Coopers. Do POTD, bro. What is POTD? ब्रो ये सिंपल प्रॉब्लम से नहीं हो पा रहे मेरे से. POTD क्या है अभी ये नया? POTD लीट कोड. POTD is a approach to solve this problem. What's POTD approach? Problem of the day. Oh, अच्छा अच्छा. Shri Sai is on the some another level. I can't even understand what he says most of the times. Approach is a popular habit building learning strategy used in software engineering and comparative programming. Acha, yours, I'm guessing lead code has a problem of the day on daily basis. Is it? When it opens, it's around 60. Still fine. 60 is still fine. Is there something here? POTD? No problem of the day today. कहाँ दिखता है वो problem of the day? Where can I see it? अच्छा. So this, you mean this every day has its own problem of the day, maximum number. अच्छा अच्छा. Under, understood. Understood something new today. I'll try that one, bro. If it's a greedy one related to the greedy one, today's POTD, then I'll surely do that. But before that, I have to do this problem. When it opens around 16, sometimes 70, 80 also. Bro, still fine. The place where I am living in Pune, it has 140 around of AQI. You can literally feel the heaviness of the air that you are breathing in. There is something major wrong in this solution. It was just a sit and try that I did. Still 52 test cases are running. No greedy. It's a graph question. Uh, Wait for the graph, bro. I'll wait on the graph. Maybe next to next concept I'll pick is graph one. But for 2 more days I'll do some greedy problems because I feel that I'm not so good at this one. So I have to reach at some level in this one. When I'll start the graph, I'll do that problem. Hmm, मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली. Why it came 1 but when I dry run it, it was giving me 4. So she bro which same. अच्छा Sri Sai bro. Sri Sai, I know you are in the top 5% of lead coders. I'm from bottom 5% of lead coders, probably. Samit is asking you something, Shri Sai. He's, I guess he done his graduation. He's looking out for the job if I'm not wrong, Shri Sai. Uh, so let me write it down. Sorry today guys, I'm writing it on my paper. So total profit is this and then I'm iterating a loop. So int I 0 I less than prices dot length. Acha, it will never come the yeah, it will come and I plus plus. So अरे अरे ये क्या हो गया भाई? ये शॉर्ट हैंड असाइनमेंट गलत हो गया क्या अपना? कुछ सिंटैक्स एरर? Yeah, it was a syntax error. I wrote plus later, it should be plus first. How stupid I am. Yeah, it worked, bro. It shouldn't be that simple, no? There must be something. Oh, is it 100 beats, 100%? Wow, really? Is it that simple? Then the easier one is more difficult than the medium one. What the hell? I can ask for flowers. So there is another can place flowers. Let's move to the new problem then. If it's done in so less of a time, I can solve one more question. AI not rich bro, my friend. Okay, I read the message, you deleted it. समित का है कुछ तो मैसेज डाल के डिलीट कर देता है. Shri Sai, please do like the streamer. Yeah, I saw you liked it. It's okay. Thanks for that. Please, guys, if you can, then please do join the Discord server as well. I have put the link. I'm enjoying that Discord server. I'm not rich, bro. My friend bought from his house. Okay, brought from his house. Okay, okay. Okay, so you are living with, I thought you are living with your family. You are in college, no? Yeah, having rich friends are also a privilege. YouTube giving me notification. 1 minute left, bro. No, I want more time on my mobile. Uh, yeah. Okay. On to the next problem. It was यार very simple यार. मेरे को लगा कि थोड़ा ड्रामा होगा इसमें कि it will the test cases will fail and everything, but is it that simple? कभी कभी I am confused why the medium problems are marked medium and easy problems marked easy. Okay, next problem. Worry not. Shri Sai, I guess, Shri Sai, you have graduated, no? You graduated this year, if I'm not wrong. Can place flowers. You have a long flower bed. You have a long flower bed in which some of the plots are planted. Plots are planted and some are not. Okay. However, flowers cannot be planted in adjacent plots. Okay. Flowers cannot be planted adjacent plots. Given an integer array flower bed containing zeros and ones, where zeros means empty. Uh, just a second, I'm very hungry. I haven't had my dinner. Just see if I can quickly grab a bite. Choo, 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 choo. Yes, what? What's yes? यार कितना गंदा लग रहा हूँ मैं, आधा ही दिख रहा हूँ क्या इसमें? बताया करो भाई ये सब. Yes, what? I need some translator to understand what Sri Sai writes. You have a long flower bed, okay, given an integer array flower bed containing zeros and ones, where zero means empty, one means not empty, and an integer n. Uh, Return true if n new flowers can be planted in the flower bed without violating the no adjacent flowers rule, and false otherwise. Okay. So flower bed is this 1 0 0. So in the third zero, we can plant a tree seems, and 0 and 1. So n is 1. Yeah, output is true. Understood. And this input no multi. Today I am garib bro. No multi monitor setup. पेन भी नहीं मिला मेरे को, लाल कलर का पेन कहीं पे पड़ा हुआ मिला. एंड सी द नोटबुक दैट आई एम यूजिंग, इट्स अ फ्री वर्ल्ड ऑफ स्टील मेकिंग इंडिया स्ट्रॉन्गर डायरी. बिल बुक सिंपली, बिल बुक. Graduated this year. Yeah, that's what I said. मम्मी काही खायला आहे का? आणले का? दे बरं, मी खाऊ शकतो साईडला. Graduated this year and looking out for a job. Mm, this is straightforward, no? There is not much of thinking in understanding the question, not in terms of like not in terms of like this code. Okay. Input is this 10001 and n2. So only one can be inserted. अच्छा. नका देऊ काकू. भूक लागली मित्रा, मी काहीच नाही खाल्ले. तुला नाही. हे कसं खाऊ मी आता? नाही तर राहू दे, मी खातो थोड्या वेळात. हे संपून खातो मी, राहू दे. हा हा, मी ते हे घेतो. चमचा दे, मोठा मोठा चमचा दे ना. खाणार नाही तर ताकद कशी येणार? Okay, so this looks like let me think. 10. I'm trying for this one, no? Can I draw with my just hand? I'm not sure I can. So this one, no. So 10. So I have to just check out check for this one. First is 1, then second is 0. I can't place it here. So on each place I have to just check if I can do the iteration, and n I have to do minus minus, and while n is greater than 0 w का while n is not equal to 0, I have to do the iterations. But then how will I end the loop if I can't? Tomorrow is my classes test, so I have to study. Bye, I see you at 12:30 if you are. Yeah, yeah. Bro, exams are important, no? Exam छोड़ के streams मत join करो. Focus on your exams. We'll meet you at 12:30 if I am still alive by 12:30 today. So yeah. हे नको मला. हां. नाही तर राहू दे, मी घेईल. इकडे नको यूस. हा, नको नको नको, मी घेईल नंतर. हे ठेवून टाक बंद करून ना. या स्ट्रीम बंद करके कुछ और यूट्यूब पे मत देखो या इंस्टाग्राम मत स्क्रॉल करना, जाके पढ़ाई करो. टुमारो इज माई डीएस, क्या डीएस बीडीए प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम. गुड, या प्लीज प्लीज गो. लाइक करके जाओ गाइज, प्लीज डू हिट हिट लाइक एंड देन प्लीज लीव. प्लीज गलत जगह आ गया. प्लीज हिट लाइक एंड देन यू कैन लीव. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट इट डायरेक्टली. ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें. आई एम थिंकिंग सो. So we need one condition while n is like less than, n is not equal to 0. uh, but कभी n 0 हुआ ही नहीं, तो while loop will go on and on. So we can use for or while. We can use for. वीकेंड तो ख़त्म हो गया, पुणे कब आ रहा? भाई पुणे मेरा ऑफिस, my office days are Thursday and Friday, so I can have a chill little bit, no? I can stay. I usually travel back on Mondays. कम रश होता है, कम टिकट होता है, so I do that. एक सेकंड ना, एक सेकंड. How can I mute this? Okay, yeah. Weekend तो खत्म. So let me try a simple loop for now. For int I is equal to 0, I less than flower bed dot length and I plus plus. In this one I can see if I have to check if the last one is 0, then I can I minus 1 is 0. Okay, so flower bed I minus 1 is equal to 0. Then n minus 1, and if n equal to 0, return true, else return false. This is the simple thing that I'm trying. एक मैं और एक तू है और हवा में जादू है. वक्त का क्या भरोसा. If there is only one element and which is 0. मॉडरेटर नहीं आया तुम्हारा आज. मॉडरेटर गायब है आज भाई. मेरे को स्ट्रीम पे बुला के आज खुद गायब है. Just because of his text I came live today. It's okay. फ्लोर पे पहले वाला 0 हो. For example, I'm starting from here, so this should be, I'm starting from here, so this should be 1. If the last element is 0 and the current element is 0, if last element is 0 and current element is 0, then this, no. मॉडरेटर अपना थीम बनाने में बिजी हो गया. Then n माइनस वन क्यों नहीं हुआ ये? इफ n इक्वल टू 0, चमचा दे। वाह, कहा क्या अच्छा लगा यार। 2 मिनट, I'll eat something. Let me check the stats. तुम लोगों को मेरे पुराने वीडियोस के भी सजेशन आ रहे हैं क्या? क्योंकि वो भी वीडियोस है चैनल पे। मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ यू सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक दिस वन, you might be getting the older videos as a suggestions. बस झालं नको. वाइल लूप तो नहीं चलेगा. अच्छा आ रहे. मेरे को शायद प्राइवेट करने पड़ेंगे वो वीडियोस ना. मन नहीं है मेरा उसको प्राइवेट करने का. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस. बहुत मेहनत से बनाए थे मैंने इतने सारे वीडियोस. वेट, मैं बहुत ही गलत जा रहा हूँ इसमें. मेरे को एक बार. सो देर इज दिस. लेट मी ट्राई रन दिस. 1 0 0 0 and 1. So in this one I'll first check. First should be 1, no, without any doubt. Or there might be two situation. If first is 1, okay, second is 0. So if first is 1, our loop is starting from the first element, not the 0th element. So I plus 1 and I both should be 0. Current element and उसका आगे का element. Then it is n minus 1. Okay. then I will become this element and उसका next element for से हो जाएगा ना, पता नहीं यार, देख रहा हूँ for से हो जाएगा शायद। ओ शिट, for से हो जाएगा, लेकिन थोड़ा सा ये नहीं चलेगा ऐसे ना। कंडीशन ही मेरा गलत हो रहा है कुछ ना। सिंपल सा कंडीशन है, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज 1, ओके, देन second element is 0, and again if third element is 0, then n minus 1. If zeroth element is 1 and I plus 1, अबे यार बस इतना ही है ना। If both left and right is 0, then place the pot and update the array. क्या क्या नहीं समझा मैं। If both left and right, yeah, left and right should be 0 for every element, yeah, correct. So it will start from this I minus 1 and I plus 1. I is 1 से चालू होगा। There won't be last element, no. I minus 1. देन प्लेस, ये भी तो करना पड़ेगा दोस्त, ये कौन करेगा, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप भी तो नहीं कर रहे हम। क्या ये क्या बात है रोशनी में आजकल। How the fuck is output true आ रहा है। So let's try run 1. So this starting from here. So अरे यार दोनों I plus plus, अरे यार क्या चूत्यापा किया बेंचो मैंने। Okay, so for this output, for this input, sorry, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 तीन तीन सहानी एक साथ बराबर. So in this one we are starting from the first element. So first element ka I minus 1 is 1 and this is 1, so no. Then next element it is 0 and next 0, and but the current element shouldn't be 1. And flower bed should be 0. वक्त का क्या भरोसा. सॉरी गाइज, मैंने एकदम ही गलत क्वेश्चन में गलत ज़्यादा टाइम लगा दिया. समझो सारे बात सारे. So now 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, so starting from 0, left is 0, right is 0 and center is 0. So no, right is not 0, so we can't add it here. स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा? अरे स्वागत क्या भाई, हम वेट कर रहे थे तुम्हारा. कुछ तो हम पढ़े कि तुम नया थीम वीम बना चुके हो. ऐसा सही नहीं लग रहा होगा, मैं नीचे लिख रहा हूँ तो मेरा सर दिख रहा है कैमरा पे. वेलकम ब्रो. 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this left is 0 and right is not 0, so no. Then we move to this, left is 0, right is 0, but current is 1, so no. So we move to this, left is 1, no no no. So no this, no this, then this, left 0, no no, then no no. So if n is greater than 0, return false, you know, else return true. This is what it should be. What's the problem? What's the problem? First condition हम miss कर रहे हैं. So if the first element is 0 and second element is 0, so we need one more condition here. ये ज़्यादा condition हो रहा है भाई. If these two conditions, you know, then also n is equal to n minus 1 and वक्त का क्या भरोसा. Yeah bro, I uploaded my 2 custom neom themes. You wanna show a new setup, and the name of the setup is Munching and Coding Pro Max. Munching and Coding Pro Max. Not I. If sorry. हम गलत जा रहे हैं. We are doing it so wrong. एक एक टेस्ट केस के हिसाब से हम फिक्स कर रहे हैं. खाना न खाने का ये असर दिख रहा है मेरे को. ये 1 0 0 1 0 0 तीन तीन सहा आणि एक सात, तीन तीन सहा आणि एक सात, बरोबर. नाव मला अजून हे दे बरं, पिस्ता वगैरे काहीतरी. बहुत या अंडरस्टूड. इतने इफेल्ट्स लग रहे हैं तभी मैं समझ गया, लेकिन ब्रूट फोर्स से एक बार पूरा करना ही होता है यार, तभी तब जाके समझ में आएगा सही क्या है. अच्छा, headphone is way better than my mic. Is way better than your mic for sure. I mean, we cannot hear you properly with your mic, but this headphone is very good. ओ थैंक्स ब्रो यार, तो मैं यही यूज़ कर सकता. ये तो ऑफिस का हेडफोन था तो मैं यूज़ नहीं कर रहा था. दैट इज़ द केस, आई विल यूज़ इट. अच्छा, लास्ट के लिए भी सेम होगा. जब लास्ट में ज़ीरो होगा. यही है कंडीशन शायद ना, इसको देख लेते एक बार. सो वन, इसका वन, नो दिस, नो दिस, नो. सो दिस, या दिस वन, then this, no, then this position, no, then this, no. So we are ending here, but there is zero at the end. Okay, so mm, int length is equal to this and len minus 1, and if last element, which is len, is 0 and len minus 1 is 0, then len is this. Five length, so I already minus 1 now. If भाई ये गलत जा रहे हैं हम, इतने ई फाइल्स के साथ नहीं होगा. गाइस वी आर गेटिंग फ्री. मोबाइल पे मैसेजेस नहीं दिख रहे क्लियरली ना. ब्रो दिस, गाइस वी आर गेटिंग अ फ्री. यस, यस एम आई एडिटिंग विद सॉल्विंग आल्सो. मेरे एडिटर ने जस्ट मैसेज किया है मेरे को कि आपका नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगा, तो उसको बोलना पड़ेगा एएसएमआर का ही वीडियो एडिट कर लो. नो गाइस, प्लीज डू लाइक द वीडियो. लेट मी चेक द स्टैट्स. अरे तुम लोगों को सब कुछ ही दिख रहा है यार यहाँ पे, तो चीटिंग है यार. स्ट्रीम की एंड ये सब कुछ दिख रहा है. वेट, कैन आई हाइड दिस? How can I check the stats? It doesn't show it in the YouTube Studio mobile app as well. Can I? लास्ट स्ट्रीम पे हमने वो साउथ का गाना देखा, साला कॉपीराइट आ गया मेरे को। मजाक मजाक में अब्दुल रजाक हो गया। It's copyright, so it's not a strike, so no issues. Yeah, YouTube Studio is waste of time. Okay, I can see it in here. I can see 48 views. So yeah, guys who are visiting new, please do like the stream. It's very important so that we would reach to the correct audience. अब सबके लिए कंडीशन डालते रहेंगे तो कैसे होगा यार। इफ अगर मैं लिखूं यहाँ पे फ्लावर बेड 0 और एम्प्टी होगा तो वो भी केस आएगा। If len is equal to 0, then return false. अब ये मेरे को else if करना पड़ेगा क्या क्या else if and here also else if flower bed 0th element is 0, then if length is 0 का कुछ सेंस नहीं बन रहा है वैसे, देखते हैं। if it is 0, then flower bed 0 is 1. We don't have to actually, but in -1, and else if this will also comes in else if we will get use this test case to verify this. No, this will not come under else if. This is a condition that we have to check always. This condition, oh this condition we have to check always. नाही मी खातो मम्मी नंतर झाल्यानंतर ना, हे चालू आहे ना खाणं तोपर्यंत तू झोपी जा. माझं टेन्शन नको की मी खाईल काय ते. चालतं झोप तू. This should be else if. पिस्ता दे जराशे, अर्धे तर रिकामेच थे. बस बस. length 1 flower bed. भाई ये बहुत गलत कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को बैठ के सोचना पड़ेगा ढंग से. 11 ही टेस्ट का ऐसे तो 100 if else लिखने पड़ेंगे मेरे को. बिट्स 98.31 इतना गंदा कोड. How can such a worst code beat 98.32% of people? Where's my chat? Chat कहाँ चली गई bro? Don't worry, you got a very sincere and kind audience. Me giving missed call from the number leak and saying good things. Yeah bro, I'll use these headphones no. इतना अच्छा ASMR आ रहा है तो. This is very bad code. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगा दिया मैंने, ऑडियंस बोर हो गई इसमें, इस क्वेश्चन में। पिछला वाला अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, लेकिन एकदम ही 4 लाइन के कोड में हो गया वो वन ट्राई में। I have to think wisely. If length is 0, it doesn't matter. Bro, are you sitting in kitchen? What? I mean, are you not at your house? This is my actual house, bro. Pune mein I live for the job. Pune mein I work. My hometown is different. And in my actual home's kitchen. I must be the first guy to solve LeetCode problems and stream it live from the kitchen. Yeah, I am. Is there something on Discord? No. इसको कैसे बेटर तरीके से लिख सकते हैं? What? Yeah, it's my home. पुणे में भी घर ही है, but my parents live in this town now. पुणे में I work. Yeah, for sure. Eating pizza and saying to mom to sleep and don't worry. Yeah, yeah. She was waiting for me, no, to eat. I said you eat and you sleep. Hometown में क्या था? Flower bed I is equal to 0. Boolean. So either I can put and read. Boolean I. Bool I is equal to I equal to 0. Flower bed I minus 1. Yeah, I equal to 0 or flower bed I minus 1. Same of right. Same of right. I equal to size minus 1. क्या size minus 1 है flower bed I plus 1 0. अच्छा, ये एक लेफ्ट का लिया तुमने और एक राइट का लिया, ऐसे बोल रहे हो? हाँ, लेफ्ट एंड राइट का तो यही लिया है मैंने, ये वाला लेफ्ट एंड राइट एंड करंट एलिमेंट जो लूप में चेक हो रहा है. द पॉइंट इज हाउ यू कैन consider. Let me ask ChatGPT, is this the correct way? Don't tell me the answer. Tell me, is this the correct way? Is left empty and right empty? Oh yeah, okay, that can be. It's saying it's correct. What you are saying, we can try. If left is empty and right is empty. No, this condition is getting satisfied over here, bro. Left and right. देखो यहाँ पे I 0 है, मतलब current element 0, उसका left भी 0. This is left and this is right is 0. So in that case, current I पे put 1, plant the tree and then do n minus 1. The question is for these cases, end cases, edge cases. So edge case is like when the first element is 0, because we are starting our loop from the first element. We have to check for the first element. If the first element is 0 and the second element is also 0, then in that case also do this. If we start it from 0, uh, we can include the above test case, above condition within the loop. करेक्ट है तो आगे बढ़ो. नहीं देखो ना, इट इज़ बिट्स 98. अरे करेक्ट होना एक अलग बात है, बट लेकिन सही तरीके से होना वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. शट. आई नीड क्लीन कोड. इसको ही पूछते गिव मी क्लीन कोड. कैसे दिखता है देख लेते हैं. सिंपल क्वेश्चन में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाते. गिव मी द क्लीन कोड हियर देन. टेकिंग अ बिट ऑफ शॉर्टकट हियर. यही जो तुम दे रहे थे मेरे को. ओके. तुमने चैट जीपीटी को पूछा था क्या? थॉरफिन तभी मेरे को इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली दे रहे थे, या इट वाज योर ओन कोड? Let's clean it, then we'll copy your chat. It's saying for के अंदर this. You said this. कुछ तो हुआ है, कुछ हो गया है. कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है यहाँ. नहीं, इधर देखना ही पड़ेगा. ये मेरे को यूजुअली पसंद नहीं है ऐसे कोड देख के चैट जीपीटी वाला लिखना. पर आज कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. कभी कभी चीटिंग करना भी सही है. And I minus 1 and this right. ओके, इट्स सेइंग ये सब नहीं चाहिए अपने को, मिर्च मसाला ये चाहिए। सो boolean is left empty and is बहुत बोरिंग हो रहा है ये, आई नो बट वेट फॉर मी। ठीक है, यही दिया है उसने। and not this one, this one is not required, this one is not required, and we need this if is left empty and is चीटिंग करता है। हाँ भाई, करता है चीटिंग। चीटिंग करके ग्रेजुएट हुआ, चीटिंग करके इंजीनियर बना। चीटिंग करके मैं एक लीड कोड प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व कर सकता। ये क्या क्या गड़बड़, क्या तुतुल पुतुल भाई, किधर ये ब्रैकेट नहीं चलता क्या यहाँ? I will start from 0 not 1. What the fuck is size? We haven't defined size. Size is the issue. Size is nothing but length. फुलले रे क्षणमा जे फुलले रे। Flower bed. कुछ तो बड़ा गड़बड़ हुआ है इधर, एरर जो नहीं दिख पा रहा अपने को, सिंटेक्स एरर। इलीगल कैरेक्टर, विच इज इलीगल कैरेक्टर? ये शायद इसमें नहीं जमता क्या? अच्छा, ये तो चाहिए। क्या इलीगल है इसमें? चीटिंग। इसमें और इसमें क्या अलग है? boolean is left empty और क्या मियाँ? क्या गलत था उसमें भाई? सेम ही तो है। इस लाइन में और इस लाइन में क्या डिफरेंस है भाई? हाँ भाई, चीटिंग ही करता हूँ। मेरे को लग रहा है स्ट्रीम जल्दी एंड करना पड़ेगा, इतना बोरिंग स्ट्रीम नहीं चलेगा। इफ यू आर गेटिंग कैरेक्टर इनविजिबल, अच्छा देयर इज अ इनविजिबल कैरेक्टर, क्या डाल के दिया भाई? थॉरफिन, देयर इज इनविजिबल कैरेक्टर इट्स सेइंग इन दिस वन। ओके, एंड इफ फ्लावर बेड 0, फर्स्ट कंडीशन भी डालना पड़ेगा अपने को। 0 is 0 0, then this again flower bed. क्या स्पेस द वो काउंट नहीं ना होता? नहीं, कुछ वो चैट में से कॉपी करते हुए आ गया होगा, दैट इज वाई. That is why n equal to 0, then return true. True, else return false. Okay, n minus minus. सब कुछ तो वही किया जो उसने दिया. फ्लावर बेड का लेंथ लिया, एलियन माइनस वन, ज़ीरो इज एम्प्टी वगैरह, एंड रिटर्न n लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. अच्छा, ये कंडीशन हमेशा फॉल्स नहीं होगा बोल रहा है. कौन से कॉलेज से थे आप? मेरा कॉलेज VJTI है ब्रो, VJTI मुंबई. I'll show you. This one. ये कॉलेज था मेरा. These were our classrooms, auditorium. क्या गलत किया अब जल्दी देख लेता हूँ, टाइम पास नहीं करूँगा मैं. This I did this. If I equal to 0 0. Okay, ये नहीं था. COAP के बाद वही आता है, बेस्ट कॉलेज है वो तो. मेरे टाइम पे वही एक नंबर पे था, COAP 2 नंबर पे था. मैं नहीं दिमाग लगा रहा. अब मेरे को बता चैट जीपीटी, क्या गलत किया मैं इधर. मेरे को बता क्या गलत किया मैं इधर. कोड देख के भी उसको हिंदी में पूछा, हिंदी में रिप्लाई आया. ये कंडीशन पहले की रखी हुई है, लेंथ. और क्या गलत है? एक दो चीज़ें और गलत बताई उसने. तू हर बार फ्लावर बेड 0 चेक कर रहा है. यहाँ करंट इंडेक्स चेक होना चाहिए. ओके, यहाँ करंट इंडेक्स चेक होना चाहिए. या एंड एक और गलती बताया, आप तो टॉपर निकले भाई. नहीं भाई, कॉलेज में मैं टॉपर नहीं था. my father of that opinion कि बच्चा should only study in the government college. That's why I have to take that college. Else I would have taken any other पुणे का कॉलेज या अच्छे अच्छे कॉलेजेस है पुणे में. ठीक है भाई, चेप के हो गया थोड़ा सा. अपना कोड बहुत ही गंदा था. तुमने भी चैट जीपीटी से पूछा ना थॉर? ब्रो आईआईटी का नाम मत लो भाई. आईआईटी एक जख्म है, जख्म. आईआईटी में मेरा रैंक आया था 4672 और 22 कुछ था. लेकिन मेरे को एक भी अच्छी सीट नहीं मिली. मेरे को फर्स्ट राउंड में कुछ भी नहीं मिला था. सेकेंड राउंड में आई गॉट आईएसएम धनबाद का इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग. आईआईटी धनबाद का इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग. बट जब मैं था 2014-15 आईएसएम, तब आईआईटी भी नहीं था शायद. और उसके बाद फिर थर्ड राउंड में मेरे को मिला आईआईटी खड़गपुर का अप्लाइड जियोलॉजी. मैंने सारे ऑप्शन भर दिए थे आईआईटी के. सो थर्ड राउंड में अप्लाइड जियोलॉजी मिला था मेरे को. फिर हमारे सर बोले ये सब मत करो, तो हमने नहीं किया और हम आ गए. कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता ब्रो कहाँ से है क्या नहीं, ऐसा बोलना पड़ता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई एम टॉकिंग टू मच इन हिंदी नो. क्लासिक ग्रीडी. थोड़ा टाइम पास करेगा कुछ. कैन आई सी हाउ मेनी ऑडियंस आई हैव राइट नाउ. बोर हो गए होंगे बीच में ना, मैंने इतना बोरिंग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया. यार बहुत ही गंदा लग रहा है कैमरा पे. मैं ऐसे नीचे देख रहा हूँ. इट शुडंट बी लाइक दिस. व्हाट कैन आई चेंज? कैन आई डू दिस? नो. Guys, please do like the stream. Whoever is coming new, we actually solved three questions today. एक तो दिस बेस्ट बाय सेल, ये तो मैंने पार्शली ऑफ स्ट्रीम किया था लेकिन यस. देन उसके बाद दिस बेस्ट टाइम टू बाय एंड सेल स्टॉक. एंड देन राइट नाउ दिस फ्लावर बेड. ओके नाउ इज सेइंग डू जंप गेम. लेकिन मेरे को बहुत तेज़ भूख लग रही है. प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द डे आज का जंप गेम. ओ अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, तभी श्री साई बोल रहा था कि ये करो करके. ओके जंप गेम 3 है भाई ये. और मेरा जो है जंप गेम नॉर्मल. तो जंप गेम 3 इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द डे. सो विल डू जंप गेम फर्स्ट. देवा गर्मी व्हायला लागली बाबा. वेर इज माय ओबीएस? किया किया बोले मत वाला जिया बाहों में छुपा के. अरे there is a comment this hearts option as well na. Can I ask you guys to drop an heart if I solved any problem, or if any of my test cases get succeeded, then you should drop a heart, no? Like this one, I have submitted this and it worked, so you should do a heart. Yeah, thank you. नाइस. मज़ा आ रहा है ये स्ट्रीम वीम में ना. मस्त चैट है इधर. देयर इज अ नाइस कन्वर्सेशन गोइंग ऑन. आई लाइकिंग इट दिस. ओके सो दिस क्वेश्चन जंप गेम. थैंक्स. Heart. Broken heart still works, bro. Thank you. Broken heart still works. Why it's showing number one in front of your name, Thorfinn? Maybe you are the highest texter today. You are given an integer array nums. You are initially positioned the array's first index, and each element. क्या? क्या? What? You are. I say this happens. No, every time we start to read a question, the first line we read, but we just read it. We don't understand it what it really said. So we have to read it again three times. So you are given an integer array nums. At the third time, brain starts. Thank you, Meet. I thought you left. Can we do some Bakchori on Discord? Can you tell me if we can do something on Discord? है ही हम गिनती के 3-4 लोग वहाँ पे, but still, can I send something here? Can we talk here on the Discord? रोम रोम भाई. रोम रोम. अरे हम यहाँ पे बात कर सकते हैं ना? ये तो मैं भूल गया फीचर. Am I audible on the Discord? रोम रोम भाइयों. क्या मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है डिस्कॉर्ड पे? लेट मी ट्राई डिस्कॉर्ड नो. नो यू आर नॉट. Oh, there is one option to join the audio, I guess. कोई सिखाएगा हमें यहाँ पे बाय ऑडियो थ्रू ऑडियो कैसे ज्वाइन करते हैं? मीटिंग रूम लॉन्च और मीटिंग रूम. या मीटिंग रूम में आई कैन टॉक, आई गेस. I don't know how. Oh, okay, this is how it works, no? Check, click on the launch. How can I unmute? Acha, you have to unmute yourself. Am I audible through Discord now? I'm from that generation, na, the boomer generation. The guys who just know these things exist but not really know how to use these things. Meeting room. Oh, okay. Oh, it is like a Zoom or Teams meeting. Is it? Not sure. Click chick. Now I'm hearing something such a. Ah, now yes, bus. ना करे भाईजान. Output device. Yeah. Moderator voice reveal. Yeah, yeah. Please, moderator, reveal your voice. Ban. Moderator, please reveal your voice. Okay, back to the question. There is one good site, I found, no, Toon Tone. हम front end developers है ना, so we should know all our colors just by watching the Figma. Just looking at the Figma, we should be accurate. So this is something similar on that basis. Uh, I don't know these cartoons. How to change the cartoon? Give me some familiar cartoon, no? This is from Simpsons. So Mr. Burns' outfit is this, I guess. Uh, this may be 8.7. Yeah, correct. Ocha, it's green, completely off. Luke's shirt. I don't know Luke. Bloody hell, bro. Is there a setting? Give me my familiar cartoons. I don't know even this cartoon. What? What? Ah, Marvin the Martian's helmet. It was मार्शियन का हेलमेट कौन से कलर का था ये ओ ऑलमोस्ट चेस चेस खेलो ओके आ जाओ भाई चेस खेलते हैं मैं भी थोड़ा सा बोर हो ही चुका हूँ चेस खेल लेते हैं सेंड मी एन इनवाइट क्विकली जो भी खेलना चाहता है somebody dropped from this I think I should mute ना फालतू में आवाज़ नहीं जानी चाहिए लीव कर लेते हैं because I don't see call here yeah. स्काई वॉकर ही नाम था ना तुम्हारा मैं किसके साथ खेल रहा था उस दिन फैंटम इज दिस द वन थॉरफिन you wanted how many minutes का match bro this is thing that I am confused in both of the voices one from the stream and one from Discord the Discord one is more real time one and the stream is one with delay आया that's for better for games ना जब game खेलते lobby के साथ then that's better I turned it off sorry for that I send me the request now yeah should I create one challenge custom challenge 5 मिनट का खेल लेते हैं challenge link ठीक है I'm sending the link in the chat moderator is shy to talk I have sent a link I'm spamming the link join with this and ping me if you have joined oh I can ping it here no yeah, I can uh, bro play scribble on scribble.com where we have to guess the other person's is making इज इट? या स्क्रिबल तो मैंने खेला है शायद ना। मेरे को ये टून वाला अच्छा लगा था यार, ये वाला। लेकिन ये कार्टून ही मेरे को पता नहीं है। अब मेरे ज़माने के कार्टून दिखाते तो मैं कर लेता। आगे बढ़ते। Ariel's hair. She was a blonde from the ocean. She was blonde from the ocean. Red. No, she wasn't red. अच्छा, स्कूबी डू डॉग्स कॉलर। उसका कॉलर कौन से कलर का था स्कूबी डू का? यही कलर है मेरे ख्याल से। ओ नो, ऑलमोस्ट। आई डोंट नो दिस। अच्छा, नॉडिस हैट was red for sure. It was a dark red. Oh, it was blue. Bro, play scribble scribble तो यार, व्हाट्स द साइट? चेस में आ जाओ ना, एक गेम चेस खेल लेते हैं देन। इसमें रूम बना के खेलना पड़ेगा। Are you joining for the game of chess? Yeah, I'm playing this guy for the first time, I guess. लाल चटनी? Who's this लाल चटनी ब्रो? कौन है ये लाल चटनी? Who is this लाल चटनी? स्क्रिबल के लिए रूम बनाना पड़ेगा, जब ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे उसमें 3-4 लोग तो चाहिए खेलने के लिए। I'll simply castle. I don't know this guy. मेरे को नहीं देना बिशप मेरा। He doesn't seem like a 278 right now to me. He seems like more 700-800. लाल चटनी, आई लाइक द नेम। लाल चटनी किसका किसका अकाउंट है यार ये? कोई बताएगा मेरे को? हु इज दिस गाय आई एम प्लेइंग विथ? इज इट थॉर यू? मीत, इज इट यू और हु इज दिस गाय? कोई बोलो भाई, बोलो। स्पीक। इट्स योर टर्न लाल चटनी। हु इज दिस गाय लाल चटनी? जादू है कोई जादू, तेरे दिल पे यूं छाने दो साइडली सांबर ना ना ना, रेसिस्ट रेसिस्ट कमेंट्स नहीं। जादू है कोई जादू, मेरे दिल पे यूं छाने लगा, दीवाना मेरी जा तो पता ये हुआ कैसे, हल्का सा दर्द होने लगा। ये क्या हुआ, पहले ना ऐसा होता था, ये क्यों हुआ मैं जानू ना। ये क्या हुआ, पहले ना ऐसा होता था, ये क्यों हुआ ना जानू ना, कोई बता दे। Resist the trend bro, which whole country हाँ। नहीं, मेरे कंपनी में कुछ लोग थे ना, उन्होंने बोला नो दिस इज वेरी रेसिस्ट, नो एवरीबॉडी इज सेइंग डू वी थिंक डू वी ईट डोसा इडली डेली। ये अकाउंट किसका है मेरे को बताओ, अब मेरे को जानना है ये। If I take and then this I can have a pawn up, no? मेरे कुछ दोस्तों ने बोला यार सर ऐसे, इसलिए मैं बोला कि नहीं, उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था। तुम लोगों का फेवरेट क्या है, तुम्हें खाने में क्या पसंद है? मेरे को बहुत भूख लग रही है, सो आई विल ऑर्डर दैट। वेज में वेज, मेरे को पर्सनली दाल बाटी खाने का मन कर रहा है अभी बहुत। ओ नाइस, नाइस नाइस। तू मेरे सामने, मैं तेरे सामने, तुझको देखूं या प्यार करूं, तू मेरा हो गया, मैं तेरी हो गई, तू ऐसे कब मैंने ये जाना था, तुम इतने बदल जाओगे, तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब। This guys is not indie developer, he is indie dev. Yeah. V is taken by somebody else. No. This is a known mistake, bro. At the rates are unique. So it's a dev looper or looper, whatever you think it is. Indie dev is taken, indie developer is taken, so indie dev looper. You noticed it after these many days. You are living with this for ages. हाँ, रुक नहीं लिया? क्यों ब्रो? अच्छा खेल रहे थे तुम, क्यों एक्स्ट्रा दिमाग लगा यहाँ पे? लाल चटनी कौन है ये लाल चटनी? There I watching dropping. लॉल तुम्हारा अकाउंट था क्या ये? थॉरफिन, was it you? Was it you? Then who was the phantom? Who was this guy then? यार प्लीज लाइक कर दो यार स्ट्रीम्स को, लोग आके जा रहे हैं सीइंग. हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके. यू वांना प्ले वन मोर? तुमने इस मूव तक अच्छा खेला. 17 18. या दिस मूव 18 यहाँ तक भी ठीक था. अगर इफ यू सी द रिव्यू टिल 18th मूव यू वर. अरे यार लाइट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. शिट शिट.
Some good positional play let you seize the advantage
अरे
in the middle game.
विशी सर.
A very popular move that opens up your bishop, a good start.
नो सर. Yeah,
You won a pawn for
till
free.
this one is still fine. Okay.
You
So
captured a free pawn.
yeah, this was
You exchange pieces of equal value.
yeah, till then, till 16 move we were same almost. We were playing good positional game, but then you didn't took the rook on the 18th.
You won a pawn for free.
Okay.
That pawn was vulnerable and you captured a free pawn.
This
You
is
won.
fine.
Their king steps away from the... This move challenged. They defended the rook, which was under attack.
So I took
Your
it.
best move was to
It
add a
wasn't
defender to a
that
vulnerable
good, but
rook.
yeah, I wanted to end the all calculation. You should have taken it.
A straightforward recapture.
But what you did,
Your best move was to add...
you did
The
this,
better move was to
which
recapture a
is a
piece.
free rook for me. Then I took. Then there
This
is
move gives you a
nothing.
passed pawn, free to advance up the board.
इतना डिटेल में कौन देखता है भाई. पता ही नहीं. ओ पिंक पैंथर भी नो. Pink Panther is pink. This is 8.61. I don't know this. कोई नहीं. क्या करें, एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें या एंड करें स्ट्रीम को? इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 12. बकचोदी भी हो गई, 3 क्वेश्चंस हो गए. हम नूब नहीं. बताओ, शुड आई एंड द स्ट्रीम? तेरे माथे झूमर चमके, तेरे पायल चमके है रे. दिस इज द वन ना? You got muted, bro. Am I? Am I audible? Hello, hello. Am I audible? मैंने शायद ये सीन 2 में गया था. सीन 2 में there is no mic set. हम फाइन कल करना बाकी के. ठीक है, मैं भी थोड़ा प्रिपेयर कर लूँगा। जितना मुझे हैश मैप प्रायोरिटी क्यू वगैरह सॉल्व करने में आ रहा था ना, दैट हैड अ वेरी गुड सेंस ऑफ पैटर्न। देर वॉज अ स्ट्रिक्ट पैटर्न एंड वो पैटर्न दिमाग में छप गया था, तो उसके बाद कोई भी क्वेश्चन आने दो, हार्ड लेवल का भी क्वेश्चन जल्दी सॉल्व हो गया था। लेकिन दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग, नो नॉट यू आर फाइन नाउ, नो नॉट नाउ, ओके यू आर फाइन नाउ। दिस काइंड ऑफ डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग एंड ग्रीडी एल्गोरिदम ना, ये थोड़े से वियर्ड टाइप्स के प्रॉब्लम्स है। मतलब वी हैव टू थिंक in such a way, like for the greedy we have to be greedy, think in a greedy fashion way. So but the problem can be solved using anything. Yesterday I solved one problem using hash map which could have been solved using a array as well, and today's problems is just there is nothing. See this problem, kahan gaya wo? Yeah, this problem it had nothing, like there is no pattern, it's just a thought process. Okay, this should be this and total profit we have to return. Then this took some while, easy question, but I'm not sure why this was an easy question. And yeah, this question. So it is something weird, and I have decided not to move ahead until or unless I get some at least 30-40% of confidence in my first run. Within my first run, I can touch down all the topics of the DSA once, and all the topics with the DSA with 30 to 40% of confidence. Then after the 100 problem, I can again restart, like do mix and merge of the problems, revise some concepts and all. So yeah, I have to review his profile. So this is the one, no, Meet Aura Neo theme. Do you like making themes? I have seen you multiple times you mentioning the themes. A collection of custom, minimal, and high contrast color schemes for modern neo Vim setups featuring cracked bones, cracked bones theme for neo Vim inspired by the TS Oding's Mac theme. What Emacs theme? ये क्या है? जब भी मैं एंड करने जाता हूँ लोग आते जाते, फिर मेरा मन नहीं करता स्ट्रीम एंड करने का। सी I can see people are, please guys do like the stream, whoever is like coming to the stream. I was about to end the stream, so please do like the stream. I can see 43 people joined, 5 concurrent viewers, which is good, and but only 5 likes. So please do like the stream so that next time when I come online you will get a notification and a suggestion. You just have to join, we can have a chat, we can discuss some problems, we can solve some problems. ये क्या है? अच्छा, इसके लिए input, ओके। नाइस यार, ये मस्त बनाते हो तुम ना, मीत। वीएस कोड में भी बहुत सारे थीम्स होते हैं, मेरे इसमें वीएस कोड नहीं है इस लैपटॉप में। दिस इज नाइस हॉबी यू हैव। जब भी मैं कोड करता हूँ ना, मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, मतलब जब बड़ा कोड पढ़ते हैं ना, ये जो लिखा हुआ है डार्क कलर्स नेम स्पेस, और ये इट शुड बी वेरी हाई कॉन्ट्रास्ट, जब हम दूर से कोड पढ़ते हैं लंबा तो वो जल्दी जल्दी दिखना चाहिए। अभी ये थोड़ा सा मर्ज हो रहा है, देखो ये वॉइड एंड प्रोसेस डेटा, दूर से अगर मैं देखूँ इट्स लुकिंग लाइक वन वन लेटर। इट शुड बी हाई कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिकॉज पीछे थोड़ा सा इमेज वगैरह है। इट्स माई व्यू। टीएस टीएस ओडिंग मेंशन्ड, क्या है? एम आई मिसिंग ऑन समथिंग? टीएस ओडिंग क्या है ये? टीएस ओडिंग बताया करो यार मेरे को भी ये सब चीज़ें। Installation, choose one of the installation methods. Bro, the thing is that I uh, made it very muted for late night coding, otherwise I would have, yeah, I can see that. It's It's low stress on the eyes that I can see. Using lazy.nv I am recommended. Add the repository to your plugin specification. You are like a Linux guy. जब मेरे को कभी लिनक्स विनक्स का कोई हेल्प चाहिए होगा तो I'll ping you for sure. मैनुअल इंस्टॉलेशन गिट क्लोन. अच्छा प्रोग्रामर है. Is he that Russian guy?
Alright, let's talk about C strings. Let's include stdio and create an intro. Since the end of the string is indicated by a null terminator, it makes it impossible.
One formula that demystifies 3D graphics programming party tricks. Graphics API is irrelevant. Okay.
People who regularly watch my streams probably know that I'm a huge fan of the ppm format, and the reason why I like this format is because it is so simple that you can process it directly without using any third-party dependencies or any libraries. So let's quickly do that. Let's open a file and let's call this file something like output ppm. Let's open it for writing as a binary file. It's supposed to be the maximum value of the color component. After that, let's close the file. And what I usually like when image libraries will recognize that for x and y components. For example, I can maybe add 10 to x and 10 to y. What is going to happen if I do that? The whole pattern has shifted. Let's repeat it 60 times. Let's organize a loop where we iterate from 0 to 60, like so. And we're gonna use I as the offset. And for each individual iterate string, instead of printing that string of code, for OpenGL terminology, we're passing integer. So let's actually have something like vector2r time, right? Because the same video, but produced on CPU instead of GPU. What that tells us? That tells us that knowledge of specific languages, APIs, hardware is maybe important, but it is not particularly relevant. What is relevant is understanding what exactly you are doing and how to generate pixels. Once you know how to do that, you can actually work with any API.
He gave some big knowledge that I didn't understand completely. I'll check this guy. I'll subscribe. सोने से पहले I'll check. ऐसे बताया करो ऐसे बढ़िया बढ़िया लोग ना. This is nice, bro. Can I give it a like? It's nice, bro. Look at his theme. Then it is almost replica of, yeah, I saw he's doing that. He didn't add the background image. That's the only difference I saw. There's theme like that before, so I made it. Oh, okay, nice. So you are a fan of this guy.
Vector, and it's probably
It seems nice. Hello. Yeah. So I think I should end the stream here. I can see some, yeah, I can see some good likes. Yeah. Okay. There are. I have to be very quick in solving these questions. I shouldn't take this much of time. So this is the thing that I have to improve upon that I understood today. I can't take 30-40 minutes for an easy level of problem. So I have to first read it very carefully instead of indulging with the chat and everything. I should read or give it a focused read of 5 minutes, and then yeah. Thorfinn, you had your exam something, you said DPSA something something, and you are still here. I just remember. Why didn't you left? एक चेस का गेम भी खेल लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया तुमने यार. You will do everything except पढ़ाई. Bro, you should try the CSCS problem set. What is CSCS problem set? CSCS problem set. How to submit these questions? I'll check this. क्या है ये? Show. Oh, shit. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. अब देखो, मैंने मेरे इस पे मैं एंड करने वाला था तब, इसलिए मैंने किया. ये मैं देखता हूँ क्या है CSCS. चेस बोर्ड एंड क्वींस. योर सबमिशन. लॉगिन करने के बाद शायद सबमिशन का ऑप्शन देगा. विल सी. अच्छे प्रॉब्लम्स दिख रहे हैं. विल ट्राई वन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम्स नो. ओके गाइस, चलो बहुत हो गया टाइम पास. फालतू में एक्सटेंड करने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. या नाउ आई विल स्टडी एंड शो द स्क्रीन. या ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, गुड नाइट. एंड जो भी पढ़ाई एग्जाम्स वगैरह है, प्लीज़ फोकस ऑन दोज एग्जाम्स. एंड पीपल जो बीच बीच में आके जा रहे, प्लीज़ डू लाइक द स्ट्रीम. एटलीस्ट 10-10 लाइक्स तो चाहिए यार स्ट्रीम पे, तभी थोड़ा मज़ा आना चालू होगा. Bro, in the problem set, we can learn new things every problem. Okay. Trailing zeros, bit strings, two sets. अच्छे problems दिख रहे हैं इसमें. Permutations. Do you know, Meet, what is permutation is? Permutation and combination. White light is good for my face. I can see this. Okay, chalo, no time pass bakchode. I'll look this. I'll look into this set of problems. देखते हैं क्या solve कर सकते हैं इसमें से. Okay, and I'll try to make this streams a bit more entertaining. Something I'll try to add now. See, now I can see people in barging in. Okay guys, people who are just joined, please do like the stream so that whenever I come online you will get the notification or suggestion, at least, so that we can have some good fun banter and solve some problems on the side. And yeah, if you want to join my journey, like I am learning Java, so there is a next step. There is one thing that I have planned is to create a login using Spring Boot. I'll try to do it on stream so that you will see the problems that I face while doing that, because when you do something for the first time, there will be problems, there will be errors, and there will be AI to solve that. So we'll do that. We'll create a Spring Boot project, but complete Spring Boot project. But before that, we will just start with the login, authentication, and authorization. Okay, so yeah, take care, good night, bye bye. जिसका एग्जाम है, please do study. या permutations and combination, I forget the formula, I searched it in 8th. ओके, इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, द थिंग यू आर सेइंग, नई पढ़ाई की ज़रूरत नहीं है, या कॉलेज ग्रेजुएशन यू वांटेड टू स्किप, बट You can learn these things. लेट्स गो या स्प्रिंग बूट पे आते हैं हम. मेरे को बहुत टाइम से वो अटक गया है मेरे अंदर स्प्रिंग बूट, तो उसको निकालना है बाहर. सो विल डू दैट. चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर. बहुत बार बाय बाय बोल लिया मैंने. आई डोंट नो स्प्रिंग बूट दो. आई नो थोड़ा थोड़ा. I'll tell you guys very bit. I'm good at developing front ends and back ends like web application development. That is my forte because my experience is in that field. So I can literally teach you guys some new things, you know. At least the code first approach, at least how to design. Coding to you guys know whenever you want because of AI and all. I'll show you how industrial level systems can be designed from the basics. Like we can do simple basic replica of industry level application, and then I'll show you how API should be structured, how API should be created, how reusable APIs can be created, code first approach. I'll show you how to design database. And yeah, okay bro, yeah, you are I was waiting for you. You said you will be back Summit by 12:30, so I thought you wouldn't join. Yeah, I'll try to make some good video out of that so that you can follow along. In my next sim, I have Java language. Yeah, Java is very important, no? People are saying Python is very important, that this and that, but Java is something is still used in the industry where there is no AI has been yet penetrated, because the big and old applications like LinkedIn and all, uh, show the screen. अरे यार screen is there ना. जो भी legacy applications है ना, अच्छे applications, those are still in Java, and if you get a chance to work on those parts of application, then the AI will be in very restricted form. I have seen, I have worked on one such project. I worked on the front end side, and in those ones, in those applications, the use of AI is very limited and restricted. Like there are wrappers being used. So learning Java, I think it's a useful thing in this AI world. So yeah, we'll do that. चलो ठीक है, 12 बज गए. कल ऑफिस भी है लोगों का, कॉलेज भी होगा. So we'll on purely this time I'm ending the stream. Bye guys.